Hi everyone. So today we're going to be inspecting a car. So if you want to buy a car, what to look out for. So this is a Lexus Es350 2007. So we'll start from the front left side. So we'll check for accidents. We move to the rear left side, to the doors. We move to the rear left side fender. We check the lights. We check the boots. We move to the rear right side. We check the fenders. As you can see, this car has been repainted. So we move to the rear right door. We move to the front right door. We move to the front right fender and to the front headlights. We check for any cracks, any wears. Check the bonnets. Check the front left headlight. Check for cracks. So we move to the bonnet. We open the bonnet. It's kind of heavy. So we check the engines. Check whether the engines have been worked on. We check the engine mounts, whether they've been worked on. We check the engine oil, whether it's intact. Looks like this one is good. It's not black. It's not too black. Check the car batteries. Check the terminals, whether they are okay. It's okay. Close it back. Close the bonnet. Check the bonnet whether there is accident. So we'll move to the boot. We open the boot. Check the boot. Check the fenders, the rear fenders, whether there is accident. Check the boot floor. Check the fenders. Looks like they are okay. No accident. So we'll move inside the car. We check the seat upholstery. As you can see, the seat upholstery have wears. We check the armrest, the seat upholstery, the roof upholstery. We check them. We check the steering. And see the steering the steering upholstery is one. So we check the clusters. We check the dashboard, whether it's sticky or cracked. We check the windshield. So that's all for today. Thank you. Please share, subscribe, and push the like button. Thank you.